So there's a fintech company called Yendo. I've done several videos on this in the past, and they are revolutionizing the way that people access equity in their vehicle. Now, the way Yendo works, they basically will give you a credit card up to $10,000 and is based on the equity that you have in your vehicle. I think this actually does solve a major problem because one of the things that several clients have actually come to me over the past couple of years is that, they've had some equity in their vehicles. Maybe they had a paid off vehicle, or maybe they needed some additional access to capital and they had a paid off vehicle. So instead of going to, like, let's say a car title company where, they'll give you a loan and they'll charge you exorbitant interest rates, and it's not even going to help you build your credit, with Yendo, you can get up to $10,000 based on the amount of equity you have in your vehicle. So whether you have a paid off in full vehicle, or even if you finance the vehicle but you have equity in it, you can actually tap in. And I think this is a game changer because, again, there's a lot of people who are running into issues when it comes to their vehicle affordability. So they may have spent all this money on a car and have no money left over. So how do you actually take advantage or even leverage the equity that you have in your vehicle? And Yendo is allowing you to do that. Not only just tap into the equity, but also build your credit at the same time. It does report to the major credit reporting agencies. So again, you get to keep your car, you get access to up to a $10,000 credit card limit, you get to build your credit at the same time. So this offers tremendous value, and it allows people to avoid a lot of these predatory car title lenders where they'll charge you 300 and 400% on whatever you borrow. That's just going to increase the chances of you defaulting. Now with Yendo, let's say you do run into some financial troubles. Again, the max limit is only $10,000. So whether you're financing a vehicle or if you just have a vehicle paid off in cash, you can leverage Yendo to get access to up to $10,000. They don't even do a hard credit check. So this is not credit based at all. It doesn't matter what your credit score is. So you can have a very low credit score. If you do have a vehicle, you can still get access to up to $10,000. And this is a primary trade line that will report on your credit. And you actually get a real credit card that you can use anywhere. So I want to just give you guys an update. Yendo is now available in most states throughout the country. Anyone's interested, there's a link in the description of the video. You can apply right now.